The moment you hold that tiny being in your arms, everything shifts. Your world, once filled with the mundane, suddenly bursts with color and chaos. But amidst the joy and the sleepless nights, there's this unspoken pressure that creeps in, whispering about what you should eat, what you shouldn't, how to bounce back, how to nourish not just yourself, but this little life you've brought into the world. It's overwhelming, isn't it? The advice comes pouring in from every direction, and you find yourself standing in the grocery aisle, staring at a sea of options, wondering what's really best for you. Let's talk about nutrition, shall we? Because it's not just about losing the baby weight or fitting into those pre-pregnancy genes. It's about healing, about replenishing your body after the marathon of pregnancy and childbirth. Your body has done something miraculous, and now it needs fuel, real fuel, to recover and thrive. So what do you reach for? First off, let's start with the basics. Protein. It's your best friend right now. Think about it. Your body is repairing itself, and protein is the building block for that. Eggs, chicken, fish, beans, lentils, these are your allies. Eggs are particularly magical. They're packed with choline, which is crucial for brain health. And let's be honest, you need all the brain power you can muster when you're navigating the fog of new motherhood. Then there are the greens. Oh, the greens. Spinach, kale, broccoli. These leafy wonders are bursting with vitamins and minerals. They're like little powerhouses of nutrition. Iron is especially important, especially if you experienced blood loss during delivery. A simple sauté of spinach with garlic can be a game changer. Toss in some nuts or seeds for a crunch and a dose of healthy fats, and you've got a meal that's not just good for you, but also satisfying. Speaking of healthy fats, let's not forget about avocados. They're creamy, dreamy, and full of monounsaturated fats that are great for your heart and your mood. Yes, mood. Because let's face it, those postpartum hormones can be a roller coaster. A little bit of avocado on whole grain toast, maybe with a sprinkle of salt and a dash of lemon, can be a slice of heaven in your chaotic day. And carbs, don't shy away from them. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are your friends. They provide sustained energy, which is crucial when you're up every few hours with a newborn. Oats, in particular, are fantastic for lactation. They're rich in fiber and can help keep you feeling full, which is a blessing when you're juggling feedings and diaper changes. A warm bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and a drizzle of honey can feel like a hug on a plate. Let's not forget hydration. Water is essential, especially if you're breastfeeding. Herbal teas can be soothing, and bone broth is like liquid gold. It's nourishing, rich in minerals, and can help with recovery. Plus, it's easy to sip on while you're holding your little one. And sweets? Yes, you can have those too. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can be a delightful treat. It's packed with antioxidants and can give you a little energy boost when you need it most. Just remember, it's all about balance. So, as you navigate this new chapter, remember that nourishing yourself is not just a task on a to-do list. It's an act of love, both for yourself and for your baby. Embrace the journey, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to indulge in the foods that make you feel good. You're not just feeding your body, you're nurturing your spirit. And that's the most important part of this whole beautiful mess.